Welcome to the Winter Solstice Guided Meditation. I'm your host, Lizz Naughton. The Winter Solstice marks the longest night of the year, a time to reflect, be still, and listen to that small inner voice within. Spiritually, we have one last dance with the earth element, which is all about loving and social gatherings. All of the hard work is over, and it's now time to dream about your future. As we say goodbye to this year, giving thanks for all of our lessons, all of the love we have felt, and our achievements, provide an opportunity to let go of everything that no longer serves us for the upcoming year. Let's begin. Find a comfortable spot where you'll not be disturbed. Close your eyes. Sit up and feet flat on the floor for grounding. Take a slow, deep breath in. When you inhale, bring the air in for 5 seconds or 5 beats. Hold it for a second or two, and then exhale once again for 5 seconds or 5 beats. Let's give it a try. Inhale in. Exhale. Let's do that one more time. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. If you find that your mind wanders, that's okay. Just come back to the breath once you realize that you've gone somewhere else. If there is any place in your body that has tension, begin to breathe into that area now. And as you exhale, allow the tension to move out of your body. Become aware of your body as it begins to relax and go deeper. On your next inhale, breathe in fresh energy into your lower belly, our first and second chakras. If you're visual, see the energy moving, cleansing, expanding. And when you're ready to exhale, if being around family or community gathering creates anxiety and tension, see that leaving out of your body. Breathe in fresh, cleansing energy. And as you exhale, see fear or any other depleting feeling leave you. On your next inhale, breathe in balance, strength, and hope. And when you exhale, just let everything else go. Now feel the pulse from the earth, from the bottom of your feet as it nourishes you and brings you back into synchronicity with the earth. Allow your breath to move up into your belly. Bring it a little higher into your solar plexus. This is where your ego and your identity reside. Exhale all of the old thinking or experiences from this year. Just breathe it out through the solar plexus and make space for the new to come in. Your solar plexus is really like the seat of your soul. Just take another deep breath in and exhale. Notice how that area expands with each breath. as we move into the winter energy, which is governed by the water element. Water that runs deep, it's fluid, it represents the life flow. This energy is introspective, quiet, calm, and reflective, much like the archetype of the philosopher. It resonates with the cold, still nights that allows you to replenish your spirit through sleep. As you think about the winter energy, on your next inhale, breathe in strength, courage, wisdom, and stillness. In your mind's eye, see how you can bring more of these qualities into your life. It can be very simple things. Take another deep breath in, and on your next exhale, breathe out any fearful thoughts or feelings you may be having. If you've discovered that you've been indecisive, bring in more courage to make a better decision. Being fearful and indecisive are also elements or qualities of the earth element. Embracing the light with the dark is really a part of our humanity. When we become aware of imbalances, we can do something about it. Take another deep breath in. And now with this cleansing energy, begin to move it more up into your heart chakra or the center of your chest. Again, this will allow your intuition to reconnect with your heart if needed. As you continue to breathe into your heart, imagine seeing someone or something that you love the most in the world. Notice what it feels like. If it's a person, look deep into their eyes and see how deeply they love you. If this is a special place that you love to go, where you feel safe and grounded, feel the environment. Now notice what it feels like to be loved unconditionally. Take one more look back at this year. Is there anything else that you need to let go of that you're afraid to release? If so, see yourself looking at why you're still holding on. Do this with unconditional love for yourself. Now take a moment to see what you want to experience in the upcoming year. And let those images ripple out like the first raindrop on a still lake. See the vibrations move from your heart and into your environment. Allow those ripples to move out into the universe. Take a nice, slow, deep breath in and let it out. Take a moment to tune into the possibilities for your future. Stay connected to your intentions as the waves move out through the universe. Send your dreams out into the cosmos, where they can gather the ingredients you need to come back to you. Send out your frequency and your intention for the new year. They'll come back to you when your frequency matches your dreams. And breathe in all those new possibilities. Focus your attention on your heart center one more time and feel how it has expanded even more than when you first started working with this center. Allow the expansion to move up into your entire torso, expanding your lungs, thymus area. Just feel that whole area open up with love. Gratitude is the fastest way to bring yourself into the frequency of your dreams. Take a moment and tune into that feeling. What are you grateful for? What do you want to have more in your life? What does that look like? See whatever that is happening before your eyes, how you'll feel, the people that may also be involved, whatever it is, see it now. If you can imagine it, it can become a reality. So as that image starts to fade, say these affirmations to yourself. Thank you, I am grateful. I trust the unknown. I trust in my future. Thank you. I am grateful. Continue to see what you would like to bring forth into the new year. Again, see what it feels like, what it looks like, and then let it go. Take another deep breath in and exhale. When you're ready, you can come back into your body. Know that you can return to this place anytime. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Come back into your space. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and greet the new you. The winter solstice makes sure that we balance our lives with self-care and attention to our own needs. The transition from fall to winter is signaled by the completion of long-cherished celebrations and a reverence for the divine. Thank you so much for listening to this meditation today. I'd like to leave you with a few tips that you can do to help you navigate the winter season and the winter element. First thing is get plenty of rest. The nights are longer for a reason. Eat well. I know that everybody says that, but it's true. Try to incorporate root vegetables into your diet that are dark in color and taste salty. Also, try hot or at least warm foods like soups and stews to help keep your body warm. Stay warm and don't overextend yourself. The winter season is really all about recharging your battery. When you can, wear a scarf and keep the back of your neck covered so that the disruptive winds can't enter into your body and create mischief. It might be a really good time to pull out your journal and start writing. Get reacquainted with your thoughts and feelings, especially if you're not really sure what it is you'd like to achieve next year. This is a great opportunity to start weaving those dreams now. Don't forget to laugh and find joy in your life. If it's been missing, now's the time to really make an effort to put it back in. Listen to your favorite music, go to a movie, and start a project that really feeds and fuels your passion. Once again, thank you so much for listening to the Winter Solstice Guided Meditation. Until we meet again, please know that you're loved. Namaste.